This is my 2014 Ford Focus ST1, the pre-facelift. This is the year right before the facelift where the bumper got a little higher, the headlights got a little thinner. Honestly, I like this look a lot more, but you can tell that the headlights are showing their age. This guy is a full bolt-on. I've got the full bolt stage 2 plus power package from Cobb. I've also got a high flow catted downpipe going into a 2.5 inch straight pipe out the rear. So it is a little loud. The drone is a little disgusting. I do plan on adding a muffler somewhere in there. As right now, I do kind of like how the turbo sounds, which is stock at the moment. KO4 BorgWarner, what comes stock in these cars. I do plan on upgrading it though. Brakes are clapped, suspension's clapped, paint is clapped, there's dents everywhere. It's my abused and used daily. It is filthy right now. I actually am right across the street from the car wash. I'm taking it there right after this. See this big old dent here? It happened before my ownership. When I bought the thing, it came with the exhaust and some clapped out intake setup. It was disgusting. But yeah, I've engine swapped it. I blew up the last motor, it had 150,000 miles on it. So I pulled a used motor out of an Escape and swapped over all the accessories for that motor onto this one, and it's just the same, if not better. It had very low mileage compared to the old motor, so I got a new used motor up in here. Running Michelin Pilot 4S's, which are not fun in the colder weather. You could tell by the color of the leaves. Well, not really. It is getting cold in Florida right now, so early mornings it's a little slippy, especially when it's wet. But besides that, it's great. Great car. It handles fantastic. Go ahead and get under this hood. Yep, not much to be desired in here. You can see the Cobb intake there. Big old hot air intake since I have the lid off. Used an abused filter. I may have dropped it a couple times, taken it off. And then down here, big front mount intercooler from Cobb. I didn't paint the Cobb there because you can't really see it from far. I didn't bother painting it. Eventually I do want to do the grill mod where I shave the back of this off so you can see into there more. Maybe I'll get it more airflow as well, because I took out the active shutter system that comes stock in these cars, which is a necessary mod when you do your front mount intercooler, because otherwise it will not fit. I'm sure there's some intercoolers out there that allow you to keep your shutter system, but with the Cobb one, you definitely just couldn't. It got in the way. But yeah, go ahead and start it up. Hear how it sounds. Yeah, with that now I'm gonna head over to the car wash, give her a well-needed bath. I don't think I've washed it in about, I want to say 2 weeks. It is filthy, it is grimy. I got trash on the inside, got that Gatorade bottle over there and this Red Bull can. But yeah, go ahead and clean this thing up and then get some footage of it driving by. All right, at the car wash now. About to give it a well-needed bath. It is disgusting and it needs it. All right, there it is. For whatever reason, when you get the headlights wet or after you clean it, it looks more yellow. Definitely am gonna get some new headlights soon because that bothers me a ton. But cleans up decent. Nothing crazy, just rinse, quick little soapy scrub, and another rinse. I try to keep up with washing it every other week or a couple times a month, probably 2 or 3, but yeah, paint's already clapped, so I don't worry too much most weeks. But before I go out, I like to give it a quick little rinse. But yeah, gonna go to the spot, get some clips of it rolling. Okay, well, I tried to record from the outside, but between the wind and just how loud the car is, it didn't sound too good. I also have the windows slightly cracked, slightly because the wind is heinous right now and it's gonna be deafening if I roll them down all the way. Goodness. There's a cop right there, so just trying to keep it down. So that is a Chrysler 300 with a burble tune. Welcome to Florida. Interesting. I hate this light so much. Come on, turn green. Turn green. The awesome thing about this light too is it turns green really fast and you only have a little bit of time to go, like right now. And yeah, it's already turning yellow. Look at that. What did I say? Fastest fucking turn light in all of Jacksonville, Florida. There's another little ST right there. I'm thinking I just get on the highway. See how this sounds on the highway with the microphone rolling up the windows a little bit so the wind doesn't go crazy. Eventually I do want to get a POV chest mount so I can record POV drives.
But right now I'm just kind of figuring out how to record the sound and everything good. And this guy's in the way. There we go. Yeah, the wind is deafening. I'm gonna roll the windows all the way up, see how that sounds. For reference, I'm going 90. Oh, my camera fell. I'm going 90 in sixth gear, just cruising it. It is, the drone on it's not terrible. Around 80, which is where I'm at right now. It's a little loud, especially inside the car. But it's not terrible. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm bouncing around every couple feet, so it's pretty awesome. And I'm just keeping it in sixth, rolling into sixth gear. It picks up pretty good in fifth and sixth. Fourth is very torquey. I really only will downshift at highway speeds to fourth if I'm racing or if I really need to get around somebody fast. But besides that, I'll really just keep it in fifth and sixth and just roll into it. It kind of likes it that way, because if I go down into fourth, I'll do it right here behind this truck. It just wants to, what the fuck? There's a dog in the bed of that guy's truck. All right, anyway, yeah, it just screams very loudly. And I don't feel it's much faster than just rolling into fifth gear or just rolling into sixth gear, really. That's just the nature of the stock turbo. Yeah, very torquey, low end. You build all of your boost immediately, and yeah, it's good. There's more to be desired though, that being the big turbo. Why are we stopping? I really hope this guy doesn't cut me off. You never know with Florida drivers. Florida drivers are disgusting people. They should all get their licenses revoked, and they shouldn't be allowed on public roadways because they're bad. Flip this guy around, not Can you tell I'm fucking sweating? Sweating terribly. Sweating a lot. Sweating bullets. Waiting around in traffic. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh, there we go. Green light. Green, green, green. That guy was really close. I don't know what he was doing. He kind of just started drifting in my lane, which is amazing. Thank you. Thankfully, I have full coverage. But yeah, that's about it with this guy. Not much else. It's my daily driver. I beat on it all the time. I do keep up with the maintenance more than regularly. I do my oil change very frequently just to keep the engine healthy, considering I just replaced the engine, as well as just keeping an eye on all my fluids. So these cars do not like being low on fluid, and with me not having a catch can of any sort, and just an old PCV system, I do need to watch my oil pretty close, because if I don't, I will run into problems that are expensive to fix. And I do not like spending any more money than I have to on this car. Fantastic car though. I've had it for about 2 years now. Gets me where I need to go fast and turns heads. It's a cool little conversation piece. Jesus. Considering I did build it myself, everything, all the work I've done on the car has been myself, with help from YouTube. And I didn't tune the car. That was Alan at Edge Autosport. Thank you, Mr. Allen, for the great e-tune. Those guys over there, especially Alan, are very quick to email you back. Very cool people, very helpful. He answered all my questions that I asked and got my tune files back to me pretty quickly when we went through the tuning process. It took a couple revisions, but yeah, all in all, fantastic car. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.